Who do you live with? Why can't you afford a lawyer?
For a job. That's about it.
You tell me you make $2,000 a month.
Just landscaping, that's all. And most of that go to my daughter.
You pay child support. So what are you talking about? Most of it goes to your daughter.
Order in the court. Paying for her clothes, she growing. Paying for food throughout the day and the week. That's about it.
Who has custody of your daughter? Okay. Are y'all not together?
Yes, sir.
And how many kids you got?
Just one.
You didn't put any of that on here. You put here that you have $2,000 is for one salary, and then you have an additional income of $2,000. So that's $4,000 a month. Sorry? You didn't put that you have a child. You put down that you have total expenses of $140 a month. So you make $4,000 a month, and you have expenses.
Pause right here. This is a huge, credible moment. The judge isn't confused, he's alarmed. On paper, this looks like someone making $4,000 a month with almost zero expenses. And in court, paperwork is reality. Even if the money is going to your child, if it's not documented correctly, it looks like dishonesty. Question for you watching, do you think this is bad math or bad paperwork?
$140 a month, so
$500 a week.
it says here, other income $2,000. What's that?
That's the total. What you mean?
Okay. How much money do you give to your child?
Truth be told, I spend almost $200, $400 a week on just appliances.
The child needs it. So kids need money. Just if you don't stop working, they still need food, they still need clothes. So you have to continue to work. And then when you play big boy games, like having a child, there's big boy expenses that come with having a child. The problem is, Mr. Roberts Clay, you can't be doing landscaping for the rest of your life. So
it was just for now until the time being out actually coming to actually put out. I had a recruiter for the Army come to take me, and I hit them up and stuff like that.
That's great.
I was just wondering if you would let me do that for us. But I was trying to actually go get my driver's license so I can drive 18 wheelers. My auntie got a business, a truck driving business.
Do you have a driver's license now? You can't drive unless you have a license. You have to go get your license. Of course you can. I told you that you can't drive because you don't have a license. You need to go get a license. Shh. So you need to go to DPS. There's one on South Gessner. Go there, tell them that I want to apply for my license. You'll have to first take a written test, then you take the driving test. And once you do both of those things, if you do get your license, then I will let you drive. But not until you have a license, and you have to have car insurance as well. No driving until you have car insurance. All right, I'll appoint your lawyer today, Mr. Roberts Clay. But you know what? The Army, that's a really great idea because the Army is a really great idea because that might give you, I'm telling you, because if you go to the Army, number one, it'll give you structure. Number two, with the GI Bill, they'll pay for you to go to school.
This is rare judicial encouragement, and it matters. Judges don't usually pitch life plans, but when they do, it's because they see someone at a crossroads. Structure, education, stability, that's what the court is really pushing here. This isn't about punishment anymore, it's about direction. If you were in his shoes, would you take the military path or try to grind it out on your own?
I got the approval of I'm trying to get my GD.
Right.
They told me they're not set until November, so.
Right.
But they already gave me the scheduled day for Friday to go and talk to them, though they can tell me when to start.
Okay.
So I got it ready to approve.
Jump.
You should be one page where it says I submit the application.
What, I don't know, what is this?
I went over there. They told me they can help me with my GD, and so they told me to submit an application that they was gonna help me with it.
Okay, so you submitted this about 6 days ago.
Because I tried to do it online, but I don't know if it was gonna be valid or not. So I told my sister, because my sister had one and got his GD over there too. So I told her, so she sent me over there to apply for it.
Okay, so you applied, and what's next?
I mean, or they already text me to go on Friday to talk to them, so they can tell me when to start. Because they had told me they wasn't accepting people right now, so they put me on the waiting list.
So you're on a waiting list. So why not go somewhere else then?
Because I tried to do it online, but I don't know if it was gonna be valid or not. So
Sure, you can do it online. Of course you can do it online. Yes. But, I mean, if you get on a waiting list, you're gonna wait, nothing happens, and then, and you're gonna achieve nothing. No. When you face one roadblock, you turn 90 degrees, you go and find another place. There's a gajillion other places. You need to start looking elsewhere. If they're booked up, you go to the next one. That's what you need to do. And I'm okay if you do it online as well, as long as you start doing it and make a really good effort. But you need to get your high school diploma.
I'm trying to get it too, because I'm trying to get this certificate for mechanic, because I've been learning mechanic too. So I'm trying to get a certificate for the mechanic so I can go work on it.
You need a trade, like a skill. What I would say is maybe like welding, a pipe fitter, something like that, where you can really make a lot of money. If you're a really good welder, you can make $20, $30 an hour. You can really, really just rake it in. But you have to have your high school diploma as a start. So I don't see anything that's happened, Brock. I see that he's gotten on a wait list, but then nothing else. So that's not acceptable. You need to start going and find a different place. So Google how to get my GED, and that's where you got to start. Okay, I'm sending you off 2 weeks. I want you to come back and show me what you've done. Okay, don't just go to one place and like, oh, there's nothing. Sorry, no. What else have you been doing?
I've been learning mechanic too. I've been learning mechanic.
You're learning mechanic.
Yeah, as you can see in my hand.
Okay. What does that mean? You're learning mechanic.
They show me mechanic like how to do oil change, brakes, engine swaps.
So you're working somewhere.
Yeah.
Where?
Texas car store. They have me over there to do oil change, quick stuff.
Right? Were you working full time?
Just.
How many hours a week are you working?
Huh?
How many hours a week?
I haven't counted the hours a week, because sometimes I go in early, sometimes I leave early, or sometimes I leave late. I don't have a
normal schedule.
It's supposed to be 9 to 5, but sometimes I'll go in like a 10, sometimes I leave at 4, 3, sometimes.
Yeah. When you're young, is you work your butt off now. Don't do stuff half-assed way, because you get a half-assed result. When you work, you put your heart and you put your soul into it. That way, when people see that you have that kind of work ethic, they treat you better. They give you better positions. They give you more hours. That's why you really work hard. Not just, oh, I'm going to work 4 hours today. I'm going to work 2 hours here. No. You get up at the crack of dawn, you go, you work hard, and you show them that you mean business. That's the only way that you're going to make it in this life. 2 weeks, I want to see what you've done for your GED. You understand? You have to be signed up for GED classes by the next time you come here.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Brock.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bringing him back in 2 weeks, and he has to be signed up for GED classes by the next setting. Otherwise,
yes, Your Honor.
It's not going to go well. Have to be signed up for GED classes. It can be online. I'm okay with that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But you must be signed up by the next time.
Yes, sir.
Go.
2 weeks. How's that, November 4th?
You hear that?
Let me check my calendar, Your Honor. Hold on just a second. I heard November 4th.
Any day close to. I don't care, Brock. Whatever you want. If it's a couple days more, that's fine.
Yeah, November 4th or 5th, either one is fine. I mean, I could do Zoom if I have to. I'm out of county, but I could do Zoom if I have to.
Okay, November 4th.
No problem. All right, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
See you in 2 weeks.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
He tested positive, Your Honor.
I don't, I mean, one time in there wasn't enough? Apparently not. You're still testing positive for marijuana. Where do we go from here?
Okay, tell me what happened.
It's just tough, man.
But it wasn't me. It was, can I tell you?
Secondhand smoking.
Yeah, yeah, secondhand smoke.
Yeah,
I think I believe that.
They don't want to hear it.
I understand this. I understand it.
So, just
When was the last couple times, before the last 2 days, when was the last, guys, when was the last time Mr. Cabrera tested?
The last time it was July 30th, 2006.
It never even stopped. And we took him into custody when? When did we take Cabrera in? I reinstated his bond July 10th. I let you out of jail July 10th. And you promised me that you would stop smoking July 10th. We are now in.
This is where everything unravels. The court gave trust, time, and freedom, and now that trust is gone. Secondhand smoke might sound reasonable outside the courtroom, but legally, it doesn't hold up. Judges care about results, not explanations. Final question for you. Should the court keep giving chances here, or is accountability overdue?
In October, and you still have a positive test.
Can I tell you something, sir?
don't tell him that stuff about secondhand smoking, right?
I'm not gonna believe it. I understand that.
Yeah. Try to tell me it's secondhand smoke. I don't believe it.
I understand that, sir. I understand it.
Why is it? Why are you continuing to test positive?
Because you know how it's to go to school, right? And then all the restrooms are all full of hot box smoke. And I already went to talk to my teachers about that. If I could like go to a specific restroom by myself, but they can't let me. So all the restrooms being hot box, and I just be like, instead like if going to another restroom, I can't go anywhere because all the restrooms like upstairs, downstairs are full of smoke, and you can't do anything about it.
So every single restroom in your high school smells like pot smoke. So you can't go to the bathroom without now testing positive for marijuana. Really?
Parana's school, is it true that they have the problem with that school? San Marino is the most like ghetto school in Pasadena. That is just
You don't go to the bathroom.
it's all right. I won't go no more.
No, it's too late now.
I understand that.
Mr. Reyes, I don't understand. I mean, where do we go?
It's tough, Judge. It is. Well, when are you supposed to graduate?
This year already. That's why I was planning. I'm still going to school.
October, when in December?
May.
Oh, you still have
Yeah, I still
until
got it.
next year.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're trying to get him into PTI, Your Honor. I'm sure it's going to take about 30 days to do all the paperwork for PTI. He blew a
He
10.
can't even stay positive
That's
while
what
he's
I'm-
on bond. How in the hell is he gonna make a probation?
Yeah, I got you.
I'll show you the.
Your promises mean nothing.
I understand. That would just be quite sad.
You can bring him back in 30 days and test him again, Your Honor.
When is the last time you've smoked weed?
Just tell him the truth.
The last time, I'm not gonna lie, it was a month ago, like a month ago. I'm not lying. That was the last time. That's what I'm telling you. You give me 2 more weeks, I'll promise I'll be clean because it's literally getting out of my system. I'm not lying, sir. I'll give you my word on my mom. I have a baby in the way. That's what I'm trying to push forward.
Bet.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks, Mr. Cabrera.
I do
You're
my
going
word.
to come here in exactly 14 days.
Yes, sir.
Take another test. If you test
You think you can-
again,
I'll put this negative, so I give you my word because I have a baby on my way. You guys, my mom.
November 5th, you will
Yes, sir.
come right back here. You will take another test on November 5th.
Got it, sir.
And if you test positive again,
You think he's gonna test, it's still gonna be in his system in 2 weeks?
Oh, mom, oh, can I tell you something?
he told me just now, I asked him to be,
A month ago, so it's gonna get on, cause it's gonna get on my sister.
Okay.
Because the
2
guy
weeks
showed
will
me
be
the thing,
45 days?
the negative line was starting to show, but he said that it was still positive for him, so that's fine.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I'll do my work.
we'll do it.
see what your word is. If you test negative, I will send you on your way. If you test positive, we'll see.
Understand, I appreciate
2 weeks it is.
Thanks, Judge.
Hey, George.
it. Thanks a lot.
She did get tested yesterday, came back for marijuana.
Yep. Come up, Mr. Osborne. Guys, what is all the times that we've had Mr. Osborne tested, times that he's been positive, times that he's been negative? How many times have we tested Mr. Osborne, please? It's nearly 400 days old and he's continuing to smoke weed. I mean,
This is the first time he's actually been tested, to my knowledge.
I don't think that's right. I think that we've tested him before.
I understand he tested positive, Judge. My only concern is he is trying to get a degree, and I mean, obviously through his own doing, he's missed a lot of days in school, but I'm concerned that he's not.
Since December 21st of 23, he has had a dismissal offer where he's had to do 12 hours of community service, 1 class, and he gets his case dismissed. Now, a year later, we are still here and he's testing positive for marijuana.
Only number I had for him was his mother's number, which is why he got disconnected. I could not figure out how to contact him, which is why I had the PTI offer, but I couldn't reach him to give him the
It's
PTI.
not your fault, Mr. Schofield, and I'm not going to let you fall on the sword for him. But you're still smoking.
Only one judge,
Just the one today?
yes,
We've never tested him before?
and we have a record now.
Where are we going?
He signed the PTI yesterday, so he's just got to get his community service and his anger management done.
What kind of anger management class are we talking?
Our anger management class, and he has 12 hours of community service.
You have 3 weeks to get everything done. If you don't have everything done in 3 weeks, you will get an immediate trial setting and this offer goes away. Do you understand, Mr. Osborne?
Yes, sir.
And the next time you test positive, I'm going to light you up. No more weed. How old are you?
18.
No more weed. Do you understand?
Sir.
You will get tested again. And if I find that you're continuing to smoke weed, into jail you will go. You have 3 weeks to get this thing done. That's it.
Subscribe now and comment below. Was the judge's decision fair?